Ai, filha. Vamos lá pra casa nova, né? Né, meu amor? Eu já vi esse. Cuidado. Vamos lá, filha. Estamos chegando. Deu, filha. Chegamos.
Or maybe you don't. Then I wore a flower
Vamos
clipper
ver.
accessory and packed my bag.
Tem
Afterwards, I headed
coisa
to Vox
bonita.
University. By the way, don't worry about my cat. He has been home alone before. Well, goodbye for now.
Filha, eu vou colocar aqui. Agora na garagem e já volto. Deu, minha filha. Deu, meu amor. Nossa, que linda. Muito linda.
I met you in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your
Ai,
hand
filha,
like
você é linda demais.
and you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute, I was stone cold sober. I told you, I think you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you left me alone. So I played it cool and I was scared to let it go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you until we're grown. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'ma smoke this joint and I'ma break you off. I'd be lying if I said you ain't the one. All these tattoos in my skin, they turn you on. Lot of smoking, drinking, that's the shit I'm on. Heard you not the type that they come to mom. Is we fucking when we leave the club or not? I ain't spending cash for nothing. I put my tongue on up. You can ride my face until you drip it, can you lick the tip and throw the dick or not? Can you let me stretch that pussy out? I'm not the type to call you back too much, but the way you wrapped around me is a wrong. Since when did she start buying things off of my card without my permission?
Vou tomar banho. Deus.
Something bad bound to happen to me. I don't know what, but I feel it coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just hope she don't wanna leave. Don't you give me up, please. Don't give up on me. I belong with you. Don't be there. Only you, girl. Only you, darling.